Yeah, I got these headlights out of an old Ford Exploder out there. Yeah, that Ford Exploder is the gift that just keeps on giving. But anyway, what my plan is, I ain't never done this before, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna cut this out so I can mount this light in here. This is the way I lining them up, get them square. across the front with each other. Then I think the car is pretty level, so put them level up and down. Alright guys, appreciate you. Alright guys, I had to change the exposure on my camera to show you what it looks like in real life. Yeah, you can see the spiders with the lights on with the naked eye, no problem.